let us start for the theory. Next unit circle. What is next to kind of table we have to prepare? See, we know the value of all the trigonometric function. The value of theta is between 0 to 90. In the 10th standard, we know that the table in which we know the value from 0 to 90 degree. And how can we find out from this? In the previous lecture, we have studied that from 0 to 90 degree, how can we find out that the value of the trigonometric function from 0 to 90 degree? In case of more than 90 degree, how can we find out this value? For that, we have to prepare our this table. Over that, see our x-axis. On x-axis, value of theta is relying from 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. Means our x-axis value is over 0. Then over is pi, over is 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and so on. For particular x-axis, function are not going to be changed. As well as on y-axis. Y-axis means y-axis this. Value of theta is relying on 5 by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, and so on. In like on y-axis, function are going to be changed. Or else you can say if perfect number is there, function are not going to be changed. But in fraction of theta, at that time function are going to be changed. But in how the function are going to be, sine is changing into cos, as well as cos is converting into sine. Similar tan and cot and tan, and then sec and cosec is converted into this sec. Why we have to prepare this kind of table? For finding out the value of theta which is more than 90. See, for example, we have seen in the previous lecture, suppose the sine 3 pi by 4. Ready? Sine 3 pi by 4 means it is 135 degree. Ready? It is in radian form, but actually pi by 4 means 45. 45 is a 135. In case of theta is more than 90 degree. And how can we find out that value of theta of this function? At that time we have to use this kind of table. So first of all, sine 3 pi by 4 theta, we have to convert the theta in between 0 to 90 degree, because we know that the value of all this function in between 0 to 90 degree. But over here it is more than 90 degree, it is 135. So we have to convert in this theta in between 0 to 90 degree. So see over here, 3 pi by divided by 4. So we have to convert this theta in between 0 to 90 degree. See over here. For 3 pi, can we write that 4 pi minus pi divided by 4. 3 pi is equals to 4 pi minus 5. 4 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. So ultimately it is pi minus pi by 4. See, 3 pi by 4 we have converted into pi minus pi by 4. From this, it is pi minus x, which is pi minus x. Ready? Sin pi minus pi by 4. Pi is belongs to x-axis or y-axis. It is from x-axis. Function are not going to be changed. And sin is as it is. So we have to write like this: sin and pi by 4. Sin and pi by 4 we have to write. Then we go for sign. Over here it may be plus or it may be minus. How can we check? Ready? First we see over here. Pi is belongs to x-axis. So function are not going to be changed. And sin pi by 4 as it is. And then we go for sine. See your pi minus theta. See over here. It is 0. It is pi by 2. It is pi. This 3 pi by 2. And 2 pi. Ready? So where it is pi is there, 0, pi by 2 and pi. Means in anti-clockwise it is for plus, and clockwise it is for minus. So pi minus theta, it means it is pi minus theta, means over it is pi. If it is pi plus, then our theta is from third order with pi plus something. It is means our theta is from third quadrant. But in this case pi minus theta means 0 to pi minus theta. It means our theta is belongs to second quadrant. In particular for second quadrant, sine and cosine function are only positive, rest of are negative. But see over here, in question this is convert from this value sine pi minus pi by 4. We have to check this sine function. So in particular second quadrant, sine and cosine are positive. So is it sine and cosine? So if it is sine or cosine, then we have to put over here plus sign. But in case of rest, cos, cot, tan as well as means remain sine and cosine are only positive and rest of are negative. But over here this sign is there, so we have to put plus sign over here. Ready? So sine pi by 4, we know the value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. But in suppose, see over here. For example, in case of pi minus pi by 4, which give us plus sine pi by 4. But sometimes it is like that. Then what the value is that? Pi plus pi by 4. So first of all, pi means pi is belongs to from x-axis function are not going to be changed. So value is as it is sine pi by 4. But pi plus theta means pi plus, then we have to move anti-clockwise means positive direction. But pi minus, then we have to move in clockwise direction. In previous sum, we have to move minus means our theta is belongs to second quadrant. Then our theta is belongs to second quadrant and sine and cosine are positive in second quadrant. So we have to put in previous example we have to put plus sign. But pi plus something, then our theta is belongs to third quadrant. And in third quadrant, tan and cot are only positive. Sine is not positive. So we have to put minus sign over here. Ready? Minus sign over here. So it is sine plus pi by 4 means value is minus sine by 4 is equals to minus 1 by root 2. Ready? Kind of table we have to prepare. This is all the function and these are the value of theta. Ready? Theta is belongs to either in first or second or third and fourth quadrant only. Suppose is more than 2 pi, then our theta is repeating for over here. See 0, pi by 2, pi by 2 pi. 2 pi plus something means our theta is again from first quadrant. If it is then it is second, it is third, and it is fourth. Ready? Is theta is varying from only 1, 2, 3 or 4 quadrant. So this value are theta and this is are the function. So suppose this it means sine and pi by 2 minus x. So question is like that. What is the value of sine pi by 2 minus x? What is the value of sine pi by 2 minus x? First of all, see over here. Pi by 2 is belongs to x-axis or y-axis. Of course, it is from y-axis. Then function is going to be changed. But in which function the sign have to be changed? Sign is changing cos. So we have to write it as cos and value of theta is this cos x. Then we have to check whether sign is positive or negative. Over here the sign is positive or negative. Sin pi by 2 minus x. Then theta is from which quadrant? This is pi by 2 minus, then we have to move anti-clockwise. If it is plus, then we have to move this. So